everyone, and welcome to my channel, guys. If you're new, thank you so much for joining. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Those who are here, thank you. So it's another fabulous day here with the Crave Cook. Today we will be making New York cheesecake. These are the ingredients and they will be listed in the description box below along with measurements. So if you're ready, guys, let's get started. So I'm using some graham cracker, and this amount will give me about 1 cup of the crust. I'll add a pinch of salt, and you can do that in your food processor or by hand. So I'm adding some melted butter. Now I'm using a springform pan, which you use for your cheesecake. And make sure to apply butter all over the pan so it can release the cheesecake easily after finished baking. To secure the bottom of your pan, you'll need some foil paper and wrap that tightly to the bottom like so. Now we will add our crust. You can use anything flat to smoothen out the bottom of the pan with the crust. Make sure it is nice and firm. Looks good. Now we will bake this for 15 minutes in a 350 oven. Now I'm adding my sugar and my flour, and I'll whisk this together and set that aside. So to my mixer, I'll be adding 4 packs of Philadelphia cream cheese, and we will cream this until it becomes nice and smooth. Make sure to stop your mixer and scoop the sides down. Adding my vanilla essence, or you can use vanilla extract, whichever one you have, and continue to mix. Now for the eggs, we will add 1 at a time and continue to mix. Now we will add a little bit of the sugar flour mixture at a time. Continue to mix. Now I'll add some of the sour cream. We will mix that in, add a little bit of the flour sugar, and then we will add the rest of the sour cream. Continue to mix until it is nice and smooth. So now we will pour the mixture into the pan. Now before we place the mixture into the oven, we will add some hot water in a pan. This actually, guys, prevents your cheesecake from cracking on the top, and that is what it looks like. Guys, it is super delish. Now for the topping, we will use some sour cream, some sugar, and some lemon juice, and we will mix that well. We would apply this to the top of our cheesecake, and we will let this sit in the refrigerator for about 6 to 8 hours. Guys, this cheesecake is worth the wait. Okay, look at our amazing, delicious, almost look unreal cheesecake. Okay, amazing. So now after 6 to 7 hours, I'm now slicing. Make sure every time you slice your cheesecake, you clean your knife. It is smooth, guys, like butter. Wow, look at our delicious cheesecake, guys. You must try this recipe. Again, thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. You guys have a fabulous day, and please subscribe, share, comment, and enjoy. Bye-bye.